Welcome to Escaping Sudoku. I am going to solve New York Times Hot Sudoku puzzle on August 23, 2022, 7th grade. We have 1, 3, 4. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 2. Column J also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 7th grade. Column F we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. 10th row we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade. Column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade. Column F, we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F and 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, column H and 2nd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, we already 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, on 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7, 9. 4th grade. On 2nd row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 2nd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 1st grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 7. Column F, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, column G, and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 1st grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column F, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 5. Column F, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 5. Column G, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.